Hi there, and welcome back to my garden. Today it's a lovely sunshiny day, a little bit windy, but that's okay. And it's about time to start harvesting the first rows of potatoes in the ground. I'm starting off with Melody, which is a really nice potato. I had 12 plants here in this bed, and what I use for harvesting potatoes is very simple. Something to store them in, of course. Best is something that's letting through air so you can dry or cure them for a bit. Something to lift them up, a potato fork, and something to go through the bed, and something to smooth things out. So that's all I ever need for potatoes. And the first thing I'm doing is I will pull out all the vines, and any potatoes that hang from the vine are going straight into this basket. And that's it. Basically half an hour work, and I should have most potatoes out. That's the harvest. Some big ones, some small ones. I am guessing that the small ones are due to the heat wave, because Melody is quite a good variety that can make really large potatoes, but the heat wave kind of stopped the plants, and so that's why there are so many tiny ones and some green ones, but yeah, that's okay. The green ones that have a decent size I will just save as seed potatoes, and so now the next beds that are due to harvest are these two with Jazzy and I think Bilana. So I'm going to do these soon because they're equally done as Melody was. And once I'm done with digging these out, I will spread some chicken bedding here and dig that into the soil. And then I'll leave things until next spring. And we'll see what I will plant here next spring. Maybe some onions and garlic, I think. We'll see. But thank you for watching. Happy gardening. And see you next time. Bye.